So what we're going to do is we're going to reheat some of this brisket, and I sliced it up. I'm going to tell you about this brisket and what happened to it yesterday, but we're going to make some brisket sandwiches today. And first I need to tell you kind of the background history of this. So Gigi, bless her little heart, Gigi made this yesterday. She got her hand and her arm in a cast, and also she had an implant put in up here, right up here, and she's on a bunch of pain pills. So the brisket sat in the oven a little bit longer than normal. So what did I do? I sliced it up and I put it back down in the all juice. Let it sit there for about an hour. Put a little barbecue sauce on it, on the part that we ate, and we got through it. Tonight, we're making some brisket sandwiches. I was going to do chopped beef, but feeling of it, it's going to be cubed brisket sandwiches. Now, this bread in here, you cook it in this full. It's sliced in half and it has garlic butter all in it. So, I'm going to heat this up inside here, toast it up inside the ZGrills. If you have dry brisket, add some barbecue sauce. Yeah. Alright, so the first thing I gotta do, she wants no fat. Yeah, it's a pretty tough brisket. Right there told you that. I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's not a, we do got some pank in there. It's not a it's pretty thick, y'all. I'm sure you've done that yourself a few times. Alright, at this point, I've got hers chopped into cubes. That's what she wants. I got mine chopped into cubes, and I put the fat on top of it. Just gonna go with a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's on it like that. And we'll get them in the ZGrills. So we're rolling, heating up. I've already turned this around once, turned these around once and stuff, and we got it, oh, it says 248. Yeah. So I pull them off. Woo! Look at that baby. Let's take this piece right here. This here, it's been soaking in the Sweet Baby Ray's. So we're gonna go with a little bit of that on there. That looks like a tasty for sure, doesn't it? Wow. We turned this sucker around. That is an awesome sandwich. We brought it back to life. Oh yeah, it was awesome. It was freaking awesome.